How to use live subscription feature on TikTok. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use TikTok live subscription feature. To use TikTok live subscription, you want to open up TikTok, head into your profile first. Now you need to have at least 1000 followers minimum, and also you need to have streamed for 30 minutes in the last 28 days. Then you can open up TikTok and go to your profile, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then here you can see various options, right? You can head into the creator tools option directly if you have it enabled, right? I do not have it enabled, so I'll head into TikTok Studio here and I'll head into live. Now, on the live section, you'll be able to see various options. If you head into settings, you'll be able to see here other options as well. If you want to enable live subscription feature, right, you'll need to have enabled creator tools and head into and customize your subscriber perks. Now you can also head into your TikTok here, right, and head into TikTok Studio first. Once you head into Studio here, you'll be able to see subscription feature under monetization. You can tap on it and go ahead and proceed to monetize your content here. You'll have to join subscription, so you can add perks and such. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.